Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to add your Scratch project to a Google site in 2025. If you're a student, teacher, or just someone excited about sharing creative coding projects, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and fun. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the basics covered. You'll need a Scratch account with a published project and access to Google Sites through your Google account. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Log into your Scratch account at scratch.mit.edu. Find the project you want to embed, click on it, and look for the Share option. Copy the embed code. It's usually an iframe that you can grab with a simple click. Step 2. Head over to sites.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Open the site where you want to add the project. Click on the Edit button to start customizing. Step 3. In the editor, go to the Insert menu and select Embed or Embed Code. The exact option might vary slightly in 2025 based on updates. Paste the Scratch embed code into the provided box. Step 4. Adjust the settings as needed. You can resize the embed to fit your site's layout, like changing the width and height for a perfect fit. Step 5. Once everything looks good, click Save, and then Publish your site. Now, your Scratch project should be live and interactive for visitors. A quick tip. Make sure your Scratch project is set to public sharing, otherwise, it won't display. If you encounter any issues, double-check the embed code or refresh your site. And there you have it. Your Scratch project is now part of your Google site. This is a fantastic way to make your website more engaging. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.